So let's make potato porridge. Okay, making potato porridge. Here we have our already peeled sliced potato. Yeah, we have dried fish already cleaned, washed. Okay, we have onions and dried prawns goes in. Okay, now crayfish, rough pounded crayfish. We also have blended pepper, just add a little and save this for later. Yeah, so we have nutmeg powder. Add your nutmeg powder a little. Chicken seasoning, add a little chicken seasoning, just a little. Add garlic powder. Add your salt. Sea salt, very nice. Yes, so you add in your water. Then you stir. It's like we have forgotten our Maggi. This is our Maggi cube, but I'm adding half. Okay, don't need so much water because I sliced it a little by little, so it won't take time to cook. Okay, then cover to cook for like 10 minutes. Be back. So this is 15 minutes later. There is still water, so let's leave it to cook for some more. So I want to take out some of the potato, so it will help to thicken the porridge. Okay, so this is how much we need, and then cover. So now we have to mash and mash. Okay, this will also go back. I'll put this back into the pot. Mash. So it's ready to go back in. Let's put it back in the pot. Add in your crayfish. Add some oil, red oil. And then stir everything together. Stir all up. So now let it cook for some more. So now we have to add our final ingredients. Ugu. Add in your vegetable. Ugu leaf. This is ugu leaf. Okay, stir. Taste for salt. This is good. So nice. So 2 minutes more, then we are done. So voila. Wait for it, guys. Voila. So potato porridge is ready. Look at that. So this is what we have. Okay, let's take a photo.